In 2025, choosing the right SEO plugin can make or break your website's growth. I tested the three most popular options: RankMath, Yoast SEO, and All-in-One SEO. And after analyzing what the top experts and reviews say, one plugin clearly stands out. Let's find out which one. Let's start with RankMath. This plugin has quickly become the most trusted SEO tool because it combines powerful features with simplicity. Let's go through 5 powerful features that make RankMath my top choice for SEO. Feature 1. Content AI. RankMath has an AI-powered assistant built directly into your WordPress editor. It suggests keywords, related questions, and improvements while you write, so your content is optimized for both users and search engines right from the start. Feature 2. llms.txt. This is like robots.txt, but built for AI and large language models. It helps you tell AI systems which pages on your site are the most important, boosting your chances of being cited in AI answers. Feature 3. AI overview traffic. RankMath now tracks how much of your website traffic comes from AI, platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity. This gives you a clear view of how visible your content is in the AI era. Feature 4. Google Analytics integration. With RankMath's free version, you can connect Google Analytics and Search Console directly to your WordPress dashboard. That means you can see impressions, clicks, and performance data without leaving your site. And finally, Feature 5. Important free features. Even without the Pro version, RankMath gives you XML sitemaps, multiple keyword optimization, schema and rich snippets, a redirection manager, 404 error monitoring, and breadcrumb support. All of this is included completely free. So when you put it all together, Content AI, llms.txt, AI traffic tracking, Google Analytics integration, and a full suite of free tools, RankMath clearly shows why it's the best SEO plugin in 2025. Now let's talk about Yoast SEO. Yoast has been around for over a decade and is still very popular. Many people love it because of its readability analysis and beginner-friendly writing suggestions. It also offers breadcrumbs, schema integration, and keyword optimization. But here's the catch. Many of its advanced features, like multiple keyword targeting, redirections, and internal linking, are locked behind the premium version. So while Yoast is solid and stable, it often feels limited unless you upgrade. Finally, there's All-in-One SEO, also known as AIOSEO. It's known for being extremely beginner-friendly with a quick setup wizard that helps you configure SEO in minutes. It includes XML sitemaps, schema support, on-page SEO tools, and even a local SEO module for businesses with physical locations. But just like Yoast, many of its advanced features require the Pro version, and compared to RankMath, it simply doesn't offer as much for free. So after testing these 3 plugins and reviewing what top industry experts say, my verdict is clear. RankMath is the best SEO plugin in 2025. It delivers more free features than Yoast and AIOSEO, it's lightweight and modular, and it combines AI suggestions, schema, redirects, and analytics, all in one place. If you're serious about ranking higher in 2025, RankMath should definitely be your go-to plugin.